It's Little Caesars time, and you're invited to the pizza party that helps our school. Are you ready for some cheesy, melty, delicious fun? This fundraiser is your chance to share tasty treats, help your school, and earn awesome prizes. Step 1. Take it home today. The moment you get your papers, your mission begins. Take them home. Share them with your family. Don't leave them in your backpack or forget them in a folder. Your family can't help if they don't see it. Step 2. Share it loud and proud. Little Caesars pizza kits come loaded with everything you need to make restaurant-style pizzas at home. Pepperoni, cheese, and personal pizzas. Crazy bread, cookies, and other sweet treats. Whether it's your neighbor, grandma, or coach, everyone loves pizza. Tell them how their order helps pay for assemblies, field trips, classroom fun, and so much more. Step 3. Order smart and safe. Use the order form in your catalog. It's right on the back page. You can even register to be an online seller using the QR code on your sale information letter. Turn in everything by your fundraiser's deadline. It's all in your packet, so no stress. Safety tip: always have a grown-up help you with selling. Never go door-to-door alone or talk to strangers. Smart sellers equals safe sellers. You can win prizes while you help your school. Here's Jenny to tell you more.
As part of the sale, we like to have fun and reward everyone who helps out. The more items you sell, the more you help the school, and you will earn more prizes. Everyone who sells 2 items will receive a fun, collectible keychain. But if you sell 6 items, you'll earn the prize from level 2, plus a wacky monkey filled with candy. If you sell 11 items, you'll earn all the other prizes, plus a 9-inch fiber optic lamp. Everyone who sells 16 items gets all the other prizes, plus one of our puppy dog pal stuffed animals. Are you a superstar fundraiser? Can you help by selling 20 items or more? Then you'll win a mini dog keychain, a wacky monkey candy toy, a fiber optic lamp, a stuffed puppy pal, plus a dancing robot penguin.
Pick your favorite prize from the chart in your packet and set a goal to earn it. Selling tasty snacks and winning something cool, that's a double win. Start today, be safe, and have fun. Thanks for being part of the Little Caesars Pizza Kits fundraiser. Let's make it the biggest slice of awesome this year.
Pizza, pizza.